Hey everyone and welcome back to this channel. In today's videos we continue our trading experiment that many of you have requested, comparing trading behavior on two different platforms. This time we are testing RSI and ZigZag, both applied to a clean line chart. We will set equal budgets on both platforms and run a session using the same logic to see which one performs better. Other technical conditions and my trading experience. And don't forget to watch this video until the end because you will have bonuses in the end. Let's dive in. Let's jump into the setup. ZigZag settings, guys. Depth. We will go to 8, deviation to 8 and backstep 3. The same settings for this indicator for pocket option and for Quotex. Also, I will choose the color. It's customized for your opinion, but me, I will pick the yellow. RSI period is 10, 80 and 20. The same on the other platform. What we have is this combination. ZigZag shows us how the trend direction shifts. Perfect for direction, local highs and lows. With a simple indicator, but I love it a lot. ZigZag is good. And RSI already in previous video you can watch about this indicator is just oversold and overbought zones. Let me open first trades. 200 and 200. Both indicators will be used on a 1 minute time frame. I'll aim to make trading decisions when price touches or reacts near a zigzag. Swing level and RSI confirms me to like momentum extreme. Basically, it's always good to see RSI in any combinations of indicators because RSI, this is the big sign for me if it's overbought or oversold. As you can see, first trade on Quotex will have plus. We add some extra trades on the both platforms, 400 on the both sides. Anyway, Quotex, another 2 pluses. And here on pocket option, I want to add more. 500 trade I will buy, and also I will buy 500 on Quotex. Here we're just using the two platforms to see how it's going, the usability, the everything. You guys can also like do the same actually if you use your demo account, but also I try to save your time. Check the platform and just pretend I really trade here on Quotex. On pocket option is my real account. On Quotex is demo. It's difficult for me to feel that it's a real money. But guys, I'm 100% fair with you. Whatever happens, you see on your screen. Pocket options, I see a good plus. We already break 10,000, 11,000 we're good there. Let me add some more pairs on Quotex. You know, I was very skeptical about Quotex in previous videos. Let me say, after I tried this platform more, it's not that bad. It's okay. I can trade there, but I'm just more familiar with pocket options. That's it. Another 2 trades on pocket option for 1,000 and 1,000 trade on Quotex. Let's see what class. I really love ZigZag. It's a good indicator, you know, it's just for a support level and RSI keep it below 20 or maximum is 80. The RSI and ZigZag together, this is the perfect combo. Very simple, at the same time, highly effective. What can I do? I'm just trading. you see everything on practice.
I can say a million words about indicators, but you can see how I use it. That's it. I'm just checking the price movement, guys. Not even one indicator can give you all the prediction, 100% proof prediction about price moving. Nothing. You always need to update your skills, your trader skills. Anyway, as you can see, on both platforms, Win Plus now, and I want to go to 1000. I want some more action. Buy on Quotex, and let me think what I can do on the pocket option. You know, I want just to change the pair. I do believe that my trade on Quotex is good now. As you can see on pocket option, the price was just next to the overbuy zone, and the logic is to open sell position, but now we came to 1000, which is the big and high level of this session. Basically just like 10 trades actually, to 10%, which is mean 10 trades. That's why I want to be sure about every move. As you can see on pocket option, we good. Let me open something. Let me open buy position here, because the price next to zigzag signal to buy. As you can see, we're going up. I'm feeling positive. Not now. I love and hate trading for this kind of moments. Let me open 2000 more. I will do the same on pocket option now. 3000 in the game on different levels. What can I do? Feeling positive about Quotex. As you can see, we see a plus. Unfortunately minus on pocket option, but it's good that we open using martingale multiplicator and other trades. Oof, so close. But win plus guys. Whoa, almost 3000, almost $3,000 plus on pocket option platform, a small minus on Quotex. It's okay for this experiment. Actually guys, I think it's enough for today, because I'm a bit sick, and to be honest, I prepared a big and very important video. Let me say Halloween video, but it's more about philosophy and psychology of trading. It will be next one on this channel. Just wait and you will enjoy it, I promise. Well guys, thanks for staying till the end. It's really important for me. Due to new YouTube content policies, I can't post here the most aggressive sessions, but everything is on my Telegram channel, especially VIP club. If you need some bonuses, just feel free to add Dawit promo code to have 50% to your deposit bonus. And if you need more, 60% for example, just DM me on my Telegram. Next video will be a special one, Halloween themed, and it's a great one, believe me, you will enjoy this. Anyway, I hope you also like this video. If you really do, put the likes, leave the comments, and guys, I'm with you and I'm doing this content for you. Remember this, it's effort. You also have my Telegram. I'm always open to answer your questions. See you in the next video, and be sure that you subscribe this channel because you don't need to miss this one.